guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I purchased 2 vintage mystery boxes from the Goodwill Blue Box website, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. I already sold 2 things, I think, from the box, so I'll insert pictures. First thing was a Super Bowl t-shirt. It was the I think it was the Buccaneers and the Falcons. I hate football. I don't know. But yeah, I sold this shirt, and then I also sold this Long Island, Maine graphic sweatshirt. I thought it was kind of weird. They sent me 2 Maine shirts. Maybe they saw that my address was in Maine, and then they just stuck them in there like, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I was super excited to get this box. I've been trying to get it. They do like new releases, or not new releases, they do like restocks every Friday night. And I've been trying to get it for a while, and I was able to snag 2 of them, and I'm kind of just like, meh, meh. Some things that I don't have with me. I got 2 Goosebumps books. I got, what else? Oh, 2 hats. One was a baseball hat. I have no idea the team. It was probably like a minor league AA team. Another hat was a Heavenly Resort. It's a ski resort. Which I haven't listed yet. I gotta list that because that was a good one. Okay, now onto the clothing. First is this t-shirt. Now these are all supposed to be vintage, mind you. And you know, there's not one thing that says it's vintage. I don't think this shirt is vintage. Because I was looking to see if it was single stitch, then I was looking at the tag. I don't think this is vintage. This says better aging on the front. It's a big t-shirt. It's a size extra large. Better aging, better brandy on the back. And then on this side it says E&J VSOP, whatever the hell that means. I don't know. No clue. Probably gonna use this like as a rag to clean our cars with. Like I'm not gonna sell this. Next shirt, I was excited for this, but it has a freaking hole in it, of course. It's Tommy Hilfiger. This is a size large, like that. But yeah, it has a hole in the front right there. Awesome. Awesome. This was the other main shirt that they sent me. This is definitely vintage. It's on a jerseys tag, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. That's a giveaway. To tell if something's vintage, the tag, the blend, and then also like single stitching. There's many other ways to tell if something's vintage too. So this is a size large, and this is a Lobsterman Ale, Boothbay Harbor, Maine. The more you drink, the bigger the tail. What the hell does that mean? I've been to Boothbay Harbor. I've never heard of Lobsterman Ale before. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This does have some stains on it, so I might try to bleach it or tie-dye it. I don't know. I need to work on that. I got 3 of these t-shirts. These are the Run for the Pineapple 5K race shirts. They're all different ones from different years. This is definitely vintage. It's on a Hanes heavyweight 50/50 tag, size large. This one, oh, it's barely vintage. It's from 2000. But that's what that looks like. And then on the back, it just has like all the sponsors and stuff. I'm not gonna sell that shirt. This one also, Run for the Pineapple. I don't know what the hell that means. This is from 1999. Sewell's Point. I don't even know where this is. Oh, I think is it Florida maybe? Yeah, Jensen Beach, it's Florida. But that's what that one looks like. One is definitely vintage. It's extra large. This is 1994. Like, this one's cool. I might try to sell this one. I don't know. But like the other ones, like, is this a popular race? Do you guys know? Have you guys heard of this race? Run for the Pineapple? I've never heard of it. So I was just kind of like, eh. Next we have a Bed Bath & Beyond 25th anniversary t-shirt. Okay. Oh, size large. This is from 1996. It just says Bed Bath & Beyond right there. And then has the logo on the back. Again, probably not gonna sell that. Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, like lightweight jacket. This would be cool if it didn't have a shit ton of stains on it. It says Cabo San Lucas on the side. San Lucas? Cabo San Lucas. Is that how you say it? Yeah. And then it's got like a fish right there. And then a bigger fish on the back. I might try to bleach it and see if I can get the stains out. know. Size extra large. This is Jamie at Night, Jamie's Bar Mitzvah. September 4th, 1999. Like, I don't friggin' know. It's got like Nick at Night shows on it. Then I got a jersey. This is a Dodgers jersey, size large from Resale Athletic. This has got some stains on it. I'll have to get those out. This shirt's cool. I'm probably gonna tie-dye it. It's a size extra large. It's Alabama football. It says Crimson Tide 1992 championship Roll Tide, but it's like faded. And on the back looks like that, super faded. So I think this will look cool, like tie-dye. I got this Resale Athletic extra large, just like pullover, like sweatshirt pullover. And this sweater from New Era, size large. It's just blue and red. Two more shirts. This is a Hard Rock Cafe Tokyo shirt, size medium. Size large. This is a Kansas University shirt. Looks like that. So that's everything that I got in my 2 Goodwill Blue Box mystery boxes, the vintage boxes. Not too impressed. I mean, I have a couple things that I can sell. I've already sold 2 things, like I said, but like overall, I'm just kind of like, so yeah. Kind of disappointed because I really wanted these boxes for a long time, and I finally got 2 of them, and it's just definitely a letdown. So yeah, if you're interested in one of these boxes or any of the other boxes they have all kinds of other boxes. They have like a men's box, a women's box, kids box, jewelry box, a shoe box, just all kinds of other boxes. I'll link their website down below. I'm not like affiliated with them in any way. I don't get commission or anything like that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the stuff that I got. If you guys think, oh, did I tell you how much I paid for these boxes? I didn't. I paid, I think after tax, it was just over $100. I think it was like $104. Yeah, not worth it. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.